This is how we do simple database access in Flask. So I've got the bare bones of a Flask application here. First thing we need, we're going to be using the pymysql library, which is how we're going to be accessing the MySQL database. When we access the database, we need to connect to it each time. We can do it every single time that we connect to the database. We can do all of this stuff. It's actually way better to do it one time here and then just call this function each time. This is connecting to my local host 127.0.0.1. You'll be connecting most likely to the school server 10.0.17. And here's my credentials, and the database I'm connecting to is the Pokemon database. To get the data from the database, I'm going to do a simple line of SQL here. Select Pokemon ID and Pokemon name from TBL Pokemon. To do that, firstly, I create a connection, which I'm calling connection here, and I say with the cursor on that connection. Basically, this is just a pointer within the database. So we do that SQL. So cursor.execute SQL, and we fetch all the data and put it into this Pokemon variable. And all I'm going to do right now is just spit it straight out to the screen. No formatting, no templates, just see what that looks like. So if I run this and go to that output, you can see it's giving me all of the Pokemon IDs and Pokemon names. They're in a list. So square bracket around the outside and right down the bottom, we're closing that list right there. And every single record in that list is a little dictionary. All right, so there you go. That's about as simple as we want life to be when we're accessing a database.